Hello everyone, welcome to the Crack You video series. Hope you are doing well with your preparations. Today we are here to discuss GK Current Affairs question for TISSNET and CMAT 2022. Please do visit our website cracku.in and you can download the previous papers there. It would be helpful for your exams. We are providing CMAT crash course which is included detailed day-wise schedule and covering all the important topics, and the costing of CMAT crash course is ₹1,999. Along with that, we are having CMAT mocks, which is ₹299. With that, we are having one more TISSNET mocks, ₹299. Link is given in description. Please do visit and enroll for these packages for your better practice. Let's start with the first question. Which of the following was crowned the 70th Miss Universe 2021? The correct answer is B. Harnas Sandhu. Miss Universe held on 13th December 2021 at Universe Dome in Eilat, Israel. Let's check the next question. Double Asteroid Redirection Test, that is DART, mission is a planetary defense driven test of technologies launched by, the correct answer is B, US. On 24th November around 11:50 AM, NASA launched this. Let's check the next question. Which of the following banks has signed an MOU with the Indian Post Payments Bank to offer banking service to over 4.7 crore customers of IPPB in semi-urban and rural areas? The correct answer is C, HDFC Bank. Let's check the next question. The Goods and Service Tax, that is GST, collection for the month of November 2021 is dash, which was the second highest collection since GST was implemented in July 2017. The correct answer is C, 1.31 lakh crore. Let's check the next question. The GDP growth forecast for India 2021 by Asian Development Bank has been reduced from 10% to dash in October 2021. The correct answer is B, 9.7%. Let's check the next question. Central Vista Oversight Committee was formed by the government. It has how many members? The correct answer is C, 5 members. Let's check the next question. Which company has been selected by NASA to build a cellular network on the moon? The correct answer is B, Nokia. Let's check the next question. At what position did India finish at the Tokyo Olympics 2020? The correct answer is D, 48th position. Let's check the next question. The total corpus of PIDF reached at rupees 614 crore. It was launched by the RBI in dash. The correct answer is D, January 2021. Let's check the next question. Which company launched the 12% Club app? The correct answer is B, Bharat Pay. Let's check the next question. India's first high-ash Indian coal to methanol conversion plant was developed recently at Hyderabad by which organization? The correct answer is C, Bharat Heavy Electrical Limited, that is BHEL. Let's check the next question. BillDesk, an Indian digital payment provider company, is being acquired by which of the following companies? The correct answer is C. PayU. Process-backed fintech firm PayU is set to acquire India's earliest payment gateway. So, BillDesk is an all-cash transaction of rupees. It is $4.7 billion. This will be the largest acquisition in the India's digital payment. Let's check the next question. Name the mission launched by NASA to study the Jupiter Trojan asteroids. The correct answer is B. Lucy. Lucy is launched on 16th October 2021. Let's check the next question. Who has given approval to provide technical assistance for satellite TV classrooms across India? The correct answer is C. ISRO. Let's check the next question. Who among the following is the president of International Solar Alliance, that is ISA? The correct answer is C. R.K. Singh. Let's check the next question. The Reserve Bank of India has removed which bank from its enhanced regulatory supervision or prompt corrective action, that is PCA framework? The correct answer is C. IDBI. Let's check the next question. PM inaugurated Maitri Setu between India and which other country? The correct answer is A. Bangladesh. Let's check the next question. Which bank has announced the launch of Yield, an online platform to buy and sell bonds as well as debentures in the secondary market? The correct answer is Axis, C. Let's check the next question. Which state is to set up a flower processing center? The correct answer is B. Karnataka. Let's check the next question. Which city has become the first union territory in India to launch Carbon Watch? The correct answer is B. Chandigarh. Hope the video will help you in your preparation. Please do like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Press the bell icon for instant notification. All the best. Thank you.